Hi, I'm Danielle from 4 Patriots, and today I'm also your host for a game I like to call Can You Freeze Dry It? Let me introduce you to our contestants for the day. Here we have Steve, a dad who loves big box store pricing, but doesn't quite have a Brady Bunch-sized family to feed.
Hi, I'm Steve. Thanks for having me.
Next up, Diane, a mom of 2 that grows her very own herb garden right in her box window.
Hi, I'm Diane. I'm so excited to be here.
And lastly, we have you. You're in for a treat. And in the interest of time, my team and I took the liberty of freeze-drying these items beforehand. We used the 4 Patriots home freeze-drying system, and boy was it easy. After slicing and dicing these fruits, veggies, and full-blown meals, all we had to do was press start. Now, let's get started. Contestants, are you ready to play? Can you freeze dry it? Okay, Steve, what did you bring to freeze dry?
Well, I got meat. You gotta have meat. Meat was on sale, and so I got me some meat. Also on sale were fruits, and so I got me some fruits. I got some vegetables, and I got some nice olive oil here because it's good to have some olive oil for all times, and some bananas. And this here you can't grow yourself, and so it's a good thing to store. It's a pineapple.
And Diane, how about you?
Oh my gosh, I brought stuff from my own garden. I love to garden. And I brought some vegetables to be healthy, and some brownies because I love brownies, and some syrup because syrup goes good on everything. But my very favorite thing is my herb garden. Don't they look beautiful?
Contestants, can you freeze dry it? How about cheese? And meat?
Meat, yeah, meat.
What about these brownie bites? Can you freeze dry it?
No.
Here's a few entrees, sauces, and soups that you can also freeze dry. Okay, let's take a look at the scores.
Yeah, I hope I win. What? I can't have my oil? Why not?
Well, Steve, foods that are high in fats and sugars do not freeze dry well. We also do not recommend alcohol. Well, it looks like Diane's herb garden is really showing off, and Steve's strawberry shortcake is making my mouth water. Ooh. Ah. I'd say we're all winners today.
I'm excited.
I'm so
Tell my mama I won.
Yay! Good job, Steve.
So no matter what got you to our little game show today, whether you're new to freeze drying or basically run your own stockpiling shop out of your garage, play along. In the meantime, we've compiled a great guide for you to follow along on your next freeze drying journey. Check it out. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And click that little bell icon right next to it too, so you never miss a video. Who knows what game show will be next?
Did I win? Tell me I won.